Oseini listed at 6'5", or 6'6" rather. And Donggala, buhay pa rin ha. Walang pito ang ating mga referees. Saavedra, ayan, wala na kaduda-duda yun. Hernandez, yan na naman yung kanyang kanyon na serve. Martinez pamimigay, here comes Lasal. Oh, nicely done from the back row from Eman Hernandez.
Eman serve. Good serve.
Regidor going straight to Eugene Gloria.
Grabe yung Briones.
Oo. Here is the combination straight up for Lyric Mendoza.
Wing spikers, mapagitna. This time it was Lyric Mendoza.
Right, parang JP Pugawan lang ang peg. No?
Hindi na nakakagulat.
Started. 1-point lead for FEU. Isa Oseini.
Halo ni Oseini.
Ganda rin ang bigay ni Regidor dun. Gloria trying to give Lasal the lead. Martinez, and that is Amit Bituin. Ulog, nakabangan ni Donggala. Hernandez, grabe yung Briones.
Grabe yung hang time.
Babanat na naman si Saavedra. Hahabol. Dabutan ni MJ Fortuna.
Grabe yung hustle ni Fortuna on that play.
Long rally, Saavedra down the line.
Pa lang po ang score, pero ganitong types of hustle, ganitong types of attacks na po pinapakita ng mga manlalaro natin dito sa...
My goodness.
But Espartero did a great job.
Donggala setback by Hernandez. Good serve coming from Fortuna. Lasal up 2. Combination play. And
Miko Espartero showing the type of player that he is. Grabe yun.
Natangay talaga ni Mendoza yung blockers. No thought about it but gives it up. Regidor on the run. Rodriguez dug up. 1-2 na naman para kay Saavedra.
Ito rin kayo live sa Paco Arena, guys.
Over-receive, sabi ni Saavedra. Ligpitin na natin. Regidor. Hernandez. Briones able to keep it up. Espartero. Ay, napayungan. Regidor will be credited. Smaller blocker.
But this time, yung smaller blocker, ang taas rin ng catch. Birenda ninyo na ganda ng laban natin.
Kasi nasabi ko sa inyo kanina, agahan nyo na yung pagsaing. Ay! Isa Oseini again.
Labanan ng quality volleyball talaga meron tayo ngayon dito. Ngayong hapon dito sa...
Ay!
At isa rin ang pinaka-pogi ng mga coaches natin.
Isa Oseini able to put it away. Lasal gets... Martinez delays the back set for Saavedra. Mabubuhay pa ba? Nabuhay ba?
Fortuna with the hustle play.
They go to Absin! Binuhay pa rin ang Lasal! Saan pupunta? Saavedra!
Buhay pa rin!
Floor defense exquisite for Lasal. Absin! Grabe yung Martinez na...
Mind you everyone, this is just a pre-season tournament. Pero yung quality ng volleyball na pinapakita ng dalawang teams natin, ang taas. Kasing taas nung...
Off the bench. Regidor one-handed set. Martinez in trouble. But still gets it to Saavedra.
Siksik na sa net. Nagawa niya pa rin ang paraan.
Gabuhok ang iwas ni Benny Martinez sa net as Rick Saavedra delivered. Charles Absin wants to tie it up on his serve. Regidor. Oh, hoy! Eman Hernandez. Pinagapang. Hoy, Lyric Mendoza still up. Galing sa likod.
Who would have expected na si Eugene Gloria pa yung papalo on that play?
And who would have expected that Joe Roque is gonna trust Rick Saavedra? Buhay pa rin. Over-receive pero nagawa pa rin paraan. And Eman Hernandez now puts Lasal at set point.
Good serve.
Good reception from Espartero. And again, they go to Lyric Mendoza. Espartero with a good one. Banjit. Cross court. Binuhay and put away by Lyric Mendoza. Martinez. Saavedra. Dug up. Banjit. Going the other way to Eugene Gloria. Net touch FEU.
perfect receive.
Oo. Between!
Win!
Ready.
Ay!
Ace. Banjit. Back set. Hall through the defense. Para kay Magallanes.
Magaling.
Ball. Not a good first ball. Ahmed Bituin into the hands of Isa Hosseini. Over receive. And Hosseini puts it away.
Just like that.
Set number 1. 29-20.
Pagiging reliable ng wing spikers ng Lasal.
Saavedra ties it up.
Speaking of wing spikers, eto na.
Hininaan pa niya yung kanyang serve sa lagay na yun. Saavedra again!
Saavedra walang mahina sa ganung palo niya.
A little bit of a quiet performance for Dongala and nothing quiet about MJ.
Fortuna is just filling in for the role of Rui Ventura.
Minsan kasi starter din itong si finger injury. RJ Magallanes is the second opposite hitter on this team. Retiro keeping that one alive.
Grabe si Retiro doon.
Here's Saavedra through the block. Espartero. Wow. Combination play. Gloria still kept alive. Regidor denied by Mendoza. Ice cream.
Oh, quality volleyball na. May Nestle Crunch
quality
ka pa.
ice cream ka pa. Lock at the net. Hosseini turned back by Lyric Mendoza. Bumawi agad. Regidor on the serve. Lasal up 2. Dongala naman ngayon.
Making it both have high jumping abilities,
That's right.
very gifted athletically.
Gloria!
Yun ang isa pang athletics.
Asintado naman. Naka-18 lang po niyan. Incoming freshman. Or freshman na pala, hindi na incoming. Ceballos on the set. Oh! Hosseini with the deny.
Naalangan pa siya sa talon eh, tapos hinabol niya pa itong pangalawa.
Oh.
Parang may pader. Backing down.
Nice serve galing kay Bituin. Combination na naman. Fortuna. Nalipat ulit sa Lasal. Regidor one-hands it but Fortuna wasn't there. Lipat kay Martinez. Back set. Saavedra.
Single block. Magaling bumasa pagdating sa blocking.
Evan Hernandez. Listener. Para din sa kupunan ng FEU. Fortuna. Oh! Good night, sabi ni.
Good serve.
And Evan Hernandez. Good reception by Hernandez. They go to the back set ngayon. Mabubuhay pa rin yan ni Espartero. Bituin, tumira pa rin. I go to the back row once again. Hulog ni Gloria.
Grabe yun.
And JJ Rodriguez puts it away.
Naman ngayon, ang ganda ng pwesto niya doon. Hindi niya bastang binitawan yung atake.
Basang-basa.
Even if it was supposed to be a chance ball.
Regidor. Hosseini. The door is locked.
Labanan ng imports dito ngayon.
Boom!
Ang ganda nun.
Duot. Saavedra. Regidor goes to Isa Hosseini again. At nasuntok niya eh. Tingnan mo. Lusot. Celebrate. Di natin makita yung celebrate. Regidor, short serve this time. Napalik sa Lasal. Back set, Fortuna. Kept alive. Hosseini. Saavedra, denied by Gloria. Ay, nahawakan pa. 2-0, heading into the third set.
Good serve.
Regidor, combination, Hernandez. Wawa naman pag sweeper ka talaga. Regidor, combination. Evan Hernandez has it slapped. FEU now picking up the pieces up by 4. Dito sa ating third set. And another defensive stop for Lyric. Since score nun? Parang 6-4 yata yung score at the time. I could have gone out. Saavedra! Third points for the Tamaraws.
Para sa mga aspiring volleyball.
Manjit. And finally, Evan Hernandez ends it.
Good serve.
Magallanes puts it in play. Walang combination. Lyric Mendoza dinere.
FU celebrating each point brings out their game even more.
Eman. Good reception coming from Bituin. Espartero cross court on the line. Everything working for him. But he is serving now. Combination play and Ahmed Bituin. Tinambakan ng Lasal ang FEU nung second set, but looking at the way FEU is playing right now, you're right, it's a complete.
Sarap sabihin.
Oo. Freshman din yan. Oh, wow. Absin, tumira na sa wing. Duwag.
Absin again.
Absin down the middle. Tres. Oo.
Para sa mga Quakers, ang bilis ng replay. Para sa mga Quakers na nanonood.
Middle blockers. Manjit, back set ngayon. Magallanes denied by Absin.
Again.
Kahit ang 22-8. Combination.
Doon pa rin si
Gloria.
Absin.
Yup.
Absin again.
Absin again!
Good serve.
Manjit. The block point from Lyric Mendoza will end it. Ano po kayo? Quality volleyball here at the V-League where it all started as Isa Oseni gets it back for Lasal. Not a good reception. Absent set back by Oseni. Sabay labas ang shotgun.
Coach Dex, parang tatlong teams ata yung hawak eh.
Wow! Isa Oseni. May naghihintay daw sa kanyang parcel.
And also, you have to give credit to convert that point.
Oseni with a good serve. Here's the combination to Saavedra.
Walang, hindi mo talaga mararamdaman na this is just a preseason tournament.
Pero for Lasal, Hernandez denied. Traffic. And Gloria gives it up. Duot. Saavedra again. Retiro got his hand on it. At indeed 13.
Oh,
quick attack coming from Duot. Isa lang ang technical timeout sa Viet.
Hindi pa siya ganito katangkad nun.
Ay, malamang. Kung 6'4 ka, 11 years old ka. Joe Roque might stay with them for the remainder of the fourth. Tignan natin.
Good set by
Combination
Duot.
play na naman. This is off the hands. He's had a couple of them already today.
Diyan ka na delay sa set. Dahil sa delay na yun.
Iba yung delay niya talaga galing dip-dip. Service has been fine. Saavedra. Retiro is there. Hernandez! Back row attack. Finally, welcome. Technical timeout nitong FEU. Hernandez again with an ace.
And we are
Watching us here on Solar Sports and on the Mindanao Network plus the live streaming platforms as Eugene Gloria is denied. Wala sa pwesto si Fortuna. Duot. Quick play dapat para kay Mendoza. Hindi sila nagkaintindihan. Gloria down the line. Sabay tingin.
that play.
Eugene Gloria representing Taft Avenue, Manila.
Iba kapag may... Good serve.
Husseini. Walang block. Delicana who's no longer with the team.
Good set.
Oh, wow.
To show the type of trust they have for each other.
Combination again. Fortuna denied. By 22-19 FEU. Timeout Lasal. Oh, Lyric Mendoza. No.
Grabe ang ganda na set ni Duot dun. It's free.
Good reception again from Eugene Gloria. Hernandez. Block stays in. Good one from Hernandez. Duot delays it again. Drix Saavedra. Well, welcome to the...
We have to make the most out of their rotation.
Regidor, delayed set again.
Delayed set na naman. Parang nag-happy fiesta na dito si Drix eh.
Grabe yung delay na yan. Nakakasira. Again, good reception by Lasal. Oseni.
This rotation for De La Salle.
Oh.
And Oseni, yung quick niya parang differential tres.
Guy, ibituin. Chance for Lasal and Regidor puts it away. Naku, mahabang rally to. Hernandez out of position, tries to drop it in. Duot, kabila. Kept alive.
Eman!
Hernandez! Binuhay pa rin ang mukha ni Saavedra. And here's a back set. Lalabas ang block. Bituin. Regidor, quick play to Isa Osini. Ayan na sinasabi na. Good one from Kabata. Finding the corner, MJ Fortuna. Regidor, Rodriguez, no. Espartero, Nakapuelo, single block, JJ Rodriguez.